Oh, we blew the seals. Be careful. She's a squirter. This little leaker here is not portraying the kind of confidence we like to aspire to. So we'll take her apart and see why she's leaking. Figured maybe the seal. No, seal looks okay. Oh, aha, rookie mistake. The bearing, that gland ring, the threaded gland ring is actually a bearing as well. Keeps it located properly, so if it can cant over, yeah, she's gonna leak. Jeezeless, like a proper English countryside smile. Nicely focused. I don't know how the fuck we're gonna fix that. Well, no, actually, I do know how to fix that. Well, wit and wisdom of working in the mining industry for so long. Whenever you get spare parts, you always buy 3. 1 to use, 1 to lose, and 1 to steal. Huh? Stupid like a fox. I got a spare. Like store-bought, lads, you can muddle through a lot of turd sandwiches with foul language and a grinder. Let's give her a test out. Oh, for the love of... We got a juicy jizzer. Where's she leaking from? From the hole in the middle of the cylinder. Fact! Give her a quick swooshing around a toilet bowl full of brake clean and a kiss, just a wee kiss with the hot metal glue gun. Bob's your auntie. Now, trap for young flamers and a tip. These are copper washers. Now, these are sealing washers. This is what seals up the fastener head on the backside of the piston, what gets retained. Okay, so what do we know about copper? Copper work hardens. That means after you've clamped it down, it's hard and brittle. Might not seal properly. In fact, a lot of times it doesn't seal properly, kind of weeps. What you can do, best practice, is to replace them every time. Do I have some sort of weird metrique Chinesium-sized copper gasket here? No. You can anneal them. The way you anneal copper is just heat it up red hot and let it cool. You can actually quench it and it'll be nice and soft. That way your fastener head gets a new bite, doesn't leak. So anytime you're dealing with copper washers, especially if it's something like a real pain in the cunning linguals and you don't have a replacement, anneal it. That's all it takes. Keep you from doing the apprentice shuffle, the walk of shame. Look, a real tear. Our old pal who flung dung, son of a diddly, left us a widowmaker and I stepped right into her. Christ, look at that. Fuck. Proof positive, boys. It never fucking ends. Why is everything I own junk? Don't answer that. It's rhetorical. Okay, stripping out the Allen key. Another trick worth its weight in gold. You get the next size up Torx. This is S2 tool steel, impact resistant and reasonably hard. It'll broach its own hole. You see, have a look at that. Macro, you fuck. Thank you. Now you jam that in there. You put a little weight on the end and a wrench around it and she'll tighten right up. All right, we boot off. See what we got to fix next. Contact. Woo! Bottom's out quick. Hallelujah. It ain't that. Fucking peg the gauge. Ah, for fuck's sakes.
Much fun to be had also on account of this metal bodies. What for sending a tingle through your dingle, you send the apprentice up to cut some rafters. Not to worry, just hung on to that TV antenna.